Hi everyone, here I am in my kitchen and I just wanted to show you this wonderful new it's kind of teapot all in one. It's really designed for cooking herbs and getting the most out of them, but you know it will do all kinds of things. It's a wonderful make. So as you can see, you know, one of the things I love about it is it's clear, so I can see my beautiful herbs cooking in there. So let me just tell you, I've got this wonderful tea going on right now. I have 2 Xiao San herbal tea bags in there, free and easy wanderer. Keep myself in good emotional state. I have a red Chinese date in there, really good for the blood, very nourishing for the spirit also. I have a couple of dried hawthorn cherries there. You might be able to see the ginseng at the bottom, at the end there. I've got some fresh ginseng in there, and I have some astragalus, really great for the lungs. So now I've got this on tea mode, which cooks these herbs to a certain temperature. And it'll take about 45 minutes to an hour. And then at the end, I am going to add some goji berries. I'm going to pop some goji berries in there, but I'm not going to do that until probably like the last 15 minutes. So, nice cup of healthy tea, keep me emotionally stable, keep my lungs healthy, keep myself energized and enriched, and in with my beautiful new teapot.